Bitovi helped Yum build a suite of microservices to power Yum's web apps and mobile apps. Yum is KFC, Habit Burger, Taco Bell, and Pizza Hut. And Yum isn't just in the United States, but the whole world. This was a very exciting challenge. How do you help the world's largest restaurant chain build an e-commerce platform starting from scratch in about a year?
We have this goal of getting all of the restaurants of Yum across the globe running on a single system, and that is a lot of challenges.
We had to build really everything that goes into a big e-commerce platform. These individual microservices, and then all the things that go into supporting that. Things like customer login, allowing users to log in to their accounts, services for creating menus and stores, and all the things that go into that, like tax calculation, and then also allowing users to add things from a menu to their cart and then submit an order, all the distributed order transactions, all payment processing, as well as like an admin portal.
Yum's data model was quite a challenge. We had to make sure that the data model could support both chicken and tacos and pizza. Designing a data model that could do that for configuring products, pricing them, and taxing them for all products across the entire world was an important and critical first step.
There's a lot of complexity that stems from prices varying store by store, product offerings being different, trying to run promotions on a global scale and track those. There's no shortage of both data challenges because of the number of unique restaurants we have, and also the throughput and scale challenges of trying to take in orders globally across all those restaurants.
Right out the gate, you have to be able to handle all the digital orders for KFC, and then very quickly, very fast follow-up to handling orders for Pizza Hut and Taco Bell US. We're soon going to be taking in something on the order of like 1 million orders a day.
If you're going to develop a complex platform that's going to be modern and scalable and available, you gotta go with microservices.
You want to go fast, you have to go microservices.
Yum needed microservices to address their scaling, performance, and team structure needs. They were very small in the beginning, but they needed to go fast, so that's why they reached out to Bitovi.
With microservices, this can be challenging. You're really just developing one small piece of the overall application.
The problem with that in any sort of cloud-based system where you're dealing with multiple different services that all kind of run together is how much do I have to run in order to test my one change?
When I started, each team kind of had their own solution for running the code on their machines. As the team scaled out, they were all kind of doing things consistently. We didn't end up with 10 different solutions to solve the same problem.
You run one command, boom, kicks it off. In a minute or two, everything's up and running. Hey, you're contributing to your own code base.
All the tools and pipelines to be able to build things and test them and get them out through our dev, QA, staging, production environments successfully.
It's nice to have that automated because it directly impacts velocity. They were always available for questions, and they made something that should have been a pretty hard thing to do actually really seamless.
Yeah, working with Bitovi is such a pleasure.
I would describe Bitovi's employees with these 3 words: integrity, genius, and awesome.